Welcome back to the Unboxing Beard channel. Today we have the Oral-B Pro 3 3500 electric toothbrush. Before we continue with the video, I would just like to remind everyone that please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you are updated of any future videos which come on my channel. So the Oral-B Pro 3 3500, and this is the black edition. It comes with a bonus travel case, and this is also the gift edition. Not sure what the gift edition is about, but when we open the box I'm sure we'll be able to find out. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Now you guys know how I like to comment about the box. This is just a standard box. It's a flexible cardboard box, nothing special. Now let's go ahead with unboxing and seeing what's inside this. So first we will look at what we've got here. So this I believe is a travel case. Pull it out, made of plastic. Doesn't feel cheap. It feels quite good. It is lightweight, obviously. It's a travel case, so you need it to be light as possible. And it just opens up like this. So I'm guessing this is where the toothbrush itself goes, and you've got two spaces to put in the toothbrush heads. So let's just put this to the side and see what else we get in here. So this here is the toothbrush itself, but we'll come back to this. Let's first see what else is in the box. So what you've got here is the cord. So this is where you put the toothbrush on, and this will charge it. It is a 2-pin and there is no adapter in here, so just a heads up for you guys, you'll have to get your own adapter. If you're living in the UK where you use the 3-pin, you will need an adapter to use this. You get a user manual with it, quite a long lengthy user manual, so when you get time just read it. You get one toothbrush head with it. It's a circle toothbrush head, and also you get a 1-year warranty for free. Now if you come back and have a look at the toothbrush, just to pull it out of this little cardboard case, it is a good looking toothbrush. It has like an almost gloss look to it, which is really nice. It's a black color, and black is one of my favorite colors. Now I have noticed a lack of grip on this area here. The toothbrushes that I've had before, they've had the grip going from here all the way up here, and there's been a bit of grip at the back, but this is a bit different. There's only a bit of grip up here, that's the power button, and at the back here there's like a grip design. It's not rubbery, it's the same material as the toothbrush itself, and this is designed to make it comfortable when you hold, and when you hold it, it is okay. It doesn't feel slippy, so I believe it will still do the job. Now this does have 3 settings, so if you press it once, it puts the first setting on. This is just a continuous vibration. If you press it again, it's a continuous vibration, but it's slightly less powerful than the first one. And if you press it again, it's almost as though it builds up. It starts off slow, then it goes more powerful, then it goes back slow again, and then it goes more powerful. Now if you just quickly open this and put this on top, now this does only fit on one way, so if you're putting it on the wrong way, it's not going to fit, it gets stuck. So it just does go on one way. So if I just put it on, as you guys can see, it spins. I'm just going to put it on a lower setting so you can hear me. It spins, and if we just apply a bit of pressure here, there you go, the red light comes on. Now what this is designed to do is, it tells you when there's too much pressure being put on your gums, so it prevents the gums from being damaged, and it prevents the teeth from being damaged. Did you just see where it just stopped and then restarted? It does have a timer set on this. It will continue for, just to turn it off, it will continue for 2 minutes. So what it's trying to tell you is that you should brush your teeth for 2 minutes, and that should be more than enough. Now just to show you guys how it fits in the travel case. So here there's a diagram which shows you that the toothbrush needs to be put in sideways, and it won't just fit in if you do this. You have to put it in from the bottom first, and then it clips in like that. On the other side you have 2 spaces for the toothbrush heads. We're going to put one of them in, and again it shows you a diagram how to put it in. Just clip it in there, and then you just close the case, and there we have it. It's really nice. It's small, like I said before, it's not very heavy. It can fit in your bag. It'll just take a bit of space in your bag. You can put it to the side. And if I just show you how it charges, so here we have the charging stand, here is the toothbrush. Just stand it there, and what I would normally do, I've not got it plugged in, but somewhere on here there will be a light flashing which shows that it is charging. So there you have it guys, that was just a quick unboxing of the Oral-B toothbrush. I hope you enjoyed that. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.